Yeah, hello together, and welcome to today's episode. As you can see on my last tour, I had a bit of a problem regarding my packing, and I wonder why is this happening here? So, yeah, and in my stick bag, this crack did appear, and this is really bad because it's starting to rip the whole bag apart, and I don't want to have the bag. I want to continue using that bag, so I have to stitch it up. And what I'm trying to do with that stitching is, according to a few other YouTube channels, I first try to patch up all the strings that are going from here to here that are ripped apart, and once that is done, I have to iron. The original manual says, you have to iron up a patch on the back to stabilize the whole thing. I will do it a bit different today. I will try to use some water-resistant glue to mount that strengthening patch from the back, which is a tip that Ralf Fröhlich mentioned in his Scout tent shop to repair these cotton tents, just to use water-resistant glue to repair a cotton tent piece, and I'm quite confident that I can use it to mount these strengthening patches in the back of this bag. And let's try this out. I will stitch. I have some stitching work to do first, and then we mount the patch, see how it is turning out once it is dry. Yeah, let's go for that. Okay, I had a scissor here. Okay, the next thing I will do is stitch together all those loose ends by just adding a few more wires here. I could use some cross stitching here, but yeah, it's just so that the stuff is kept together a bit. All right. So far that looks quite good. But of course it's still not as strong as the original. So now let's turn this whole thing around like so. And what I need next is a bit of stuff. For example, this plastic bag, which I will put in here. Then I need an old pair of pants and some roller. Let's see what we got here. We have the glue and now I'm trying to figure out how big the patch should be. The idea is to make another patch on top of it, as the cotton is quite thin. So let's get something out here. And now it's time to apply those. Let's figure out how that goes. I have an idea. That looks good. Okay, and now while the glue dries, please subscribe to this channel, and then once the glue is dry, I will show you the result. I hope that it's awesome in some way, but yeah, still unsure about it, so we will see. So let's see. The glue has dried. That one is a reasonably flexible patch. I'm quite pleased with that. Let's cramp it over, shall we? Like that. And here is the final result. I think I'm pleased with that, and yeah. I'm not sure how long it will last, but for the moment I'm quite happy, and I think one patching stuff like this is a feasible option. So yeah, that's it for today, and if you enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss anything, and see you next time. Bye bye.